If you love coconut and chocolate together, this is the perfect recipe. I'm making coconut cream truffles. These are so delicious. You're not gonna wanna miss them. Okay, we're gonna start off with 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's been softened. I'm adding 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. You're gonna just mix that together and add some cream of coconut, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now this is a cocoa reel. It's from the mixer aisle, the alcohol aisle. I'm also adding vanilla and coconut extract, about 1/2 teaspoon of each, and just mixing that together until it's nice and smooth. And then I'm mixing in a cup of shredded sweetened coconut from the baking aisle. Scoop those into 1 tablespoon balls, refrigerate, and then roll them so that there's no little sticking out pieces, and then you're gonna dip these in chocolate. Now you can dip these in dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you want. To decorate them on top, just do a little bit of a drizzle, add some toasted coconut. These are perfect. Store these in the refrigerator. They'll last a couple of weeks. You can even freeze them. This is like a coconut buttercream dipped in chocolate, the perfect truffle recipe for the holidays, Easter, or anytime you are craving coconut and chocolate. Leave me a comment and let me know what other coconut recipes you love, and keep watching for even more desserts.